Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just woke up, like मैं स्कूल से आकर सो गई थी and I was supposed to wake up within 20 minutes. But then I woke up after 4 hours and abhi it's all I mean not almost, it is 8 p.m. and I slept at like around 4 p.m. So we slept for 4 hours and that's great. So I did not study till 8 p.m. obviously, and I also have a test tomorrow. So we need to cram today. And I hate cramming, but I need to study. I need to study for the test and I need to study alag se also. So I don't know how I will manage that because I was supposed to like start studying at 6 and 6 ko already 2 hours ho chuke hain and I was sleeping. I was not studying. So yeah, let us see how we manage that because I have a test tomorrow and history का एक बहुत बड़ा chapter आ रहा है उस test में and like revising all of that in one day considering मैंने जिस तरीके से अभी तो chapter पढ़ा है वो वाला is very difficult. So yeah, anyways, I will show you how I manage my time to fit everything that I have to do.
So first of
Today
all, before I
within
start
less
studying,
time.
I was writing
So
down my
without
to-do list
wasting
because
any more
that is the
time,
most
let us
important
start.
thing to do.
Make sure
It
that you
gives me
watch
an
this
idea
video
of
till
all
the
the
very
tasks
end,
that I have to
and
do today,
also
and
subscribe to my
also
channel
helps
if
me
you
feel
haven't already.
organized.
Let's
And
start
when I
now.
complete my tasks and when I check it off my list, it gives me a good dopamine hit. So that motivates me to complete my next task. So I think it is a very important thing to write down your to-do list, and I suggest that whenever you start studying, the first thing that you do should be writing your to-do list. And like you should keep three main tasks which is very important to complete today, and the rest you can do once you're done with those three tasks. You can just write your tasks in the order in which you'd like to complete them, and I feel like this makes the entire process much more efficient and less burning out. And once you're done, you would feel a lot better. So this is my to-do list, and now I will start studying. First of all, I will be doing chemistry का homework because I feel like completing my homework first is just the most efficient thing. क्योंकि मैं अभी अभी सोकर उठी थी, मेरे अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा energy नहीं थी, and इसलिए I was doing the task that requires the least energy. We just had to copy down a few activities which were given in the NCRT, and that was it. And this is how my work looked like once I was done. कुछ diagrams भी बनाने थे, so I made that as well. इसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि मैंने NCRT खोल ही रखी है तो एक बार रिवाइज भी कर लेते हैं. सो जो टॉपिक अगली क्लास में होने वाला था, मैंने उसकी एनसीईआरटी रीडिंग कर ली सो दैट आई स्टे अ लिटिल अहेड ऑफ द क्लास. एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स मी लर्न थिंग्स बेटर बिकॉज जब मैं स्कूल में जाकर पढ़ती हूँ तो मेरा रिविजन हो जाता है, एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम लर्निंग द टॉपिक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी रेड इट फ्रॉम द एनसीईआरटी. सो आई नो वट टॉपिक्स आर देयर टू बी लर्न फर्दर, एंड दैट जस्ट हेल्प्स मी गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द टॉपिक ओवरऑल. एंड क्लास में रिविजन हो जाता है, सो वो भी ऑलरेडी लाइक better है क्योंकि like that means I'll already have an extra revision of the topic. Anyways, then I just checked it off my to-do list, and after that I ate my dinner. So in dinner I had बैंगन का भरता and भिंडी. I honestly love both of these sabjis, and I was also watching YouTube while doing that. Once I was done with my dinner, I saw कि बाहर का weather काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Like let me show you all. Like बारिश भी हो गई थी, like दिन के टाइम में तो काफ़ी अच्छी wind चल रही थी. So I just decided to walk nature with my mom, and it also like digests the food, and like we get quality time together as well. And हम लोग walk कर रहे थे, and weather was really good, but we did not know it would start raining. Yes, guys, it started raining. Like you can see, it was raining a lot. Like at some point like we got pretty wet and like काफ़ी ज़्यादा रेन हो रही थी, एंड सो हम घर आ गए वापस क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ हो गई थी बारिश, एंड हमें घर आना ही पड़ा. सो आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्टेड स्टडिंग फॉर माई टेस्ट फाइनली. सो मैंने दिगराज सर का लेक्चर खोला, एंड टेस्ट में आ रहा था नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया. सो आई हैड टू लर्न द इंटायर चैप्टर क्योंकि दिस वाज सपोज टू बी लाइक अ क्रैमिंग वाला टेस्ट जिसमें लाइक क्रैम वाली चीज़ें पूछी जाएंगी, तो सारे लॉन्ग आंसर्स भी लर्न करने पड़े, एंड जो उसके अंदर छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं वो भी लर्न करनी पड़ी बिकॉज दिस वाज लाइक एन एमसीक्यू टेस्ट दैट वी वर गोइंग टू हैव टुमारो. So I had to do the entire chapter, and I did not have a lot of time because I had other tasks to complete too, but this was just a priority. So first of all, I was listening the lecture, then I was pausing the lecture, reading the topic from the NCRT and revising it in my head. So this gave me like 3 times revision. in one go, and इस कारण मेरा chapter बहुत ही easily और बहुत ही smoothly complete हो भी गया था. And I was also making little notes on sticky notes without looking in the NCRT to check if I have actually understood and learned whatever I have read and heard from the lecture. So yeah, that is how I was studying SSC. And honestly guys, अगर तुम्हारा अगले दिन test है, so don't like only rely on one shot lectures. I feel like NCRT read करना भी बहुत ज़्यादा important है, because like picture based questions भी पूछे जा सकते हैं, and there's some topics which are not covered in the one shot lectures. Like if you want to score really good marks, like for me I would like to score full marks, so I cannot risk relying on a one shot lecture. इसलिए I always have my NCRT to refer to as well, because like जैसे एक सब टॉपिक कंप्लीट होता है मेरे लेक्चर में, मैं उसको अपनी एनसीईआरटी से भी रीड करती हूँ to ensure कि कोई भी points miss नहीं हुए हैं, and this just helps me score better marks. And also guys, even if you're starting like a night before like me, then do not make the mistake of only reading the NCRT, because I don't think उससे तुम्हें कुछ भी learn होगा if you just decide to read it. It is very important to revise it. And as I did not have a lot of time, I skipped the writing part, because usually I revise by writing the topic. So उसको मैंने reduce किया by writing on sticky notes. And other than that, I was just revising it in my head, and मैं बहुत ज़्यादा hand movements करके learn कर रही थी, क्योंकि I feel like उससे मेरे को ज़्यादा अच्छे से learn हो जाता है. And like it is very important to do the recall thing, like read one subtopic and don't look at the book, and just say everything that you have learned in your head once. And when you've completed like 3-4 subtopics, I also revise like all of those 3-4 subtopics एक और बार, ताकि मेरे को वो कॉन्फिडेंस मिल जाए कि जो भी मैंने पढ़ा है मेरे को आता है. बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए तुम एक सब टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हो, उसको याद किया, दूसरे पे गए, वो पढ़ा और पुराना वाला भूल गए. बिकॉज व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ दैट, तुम एग्जाम में भी भूल जाओगे. Anyways, that's how I completed my topic. And once I was done, I checked it off my to-do list. It took me a long time to complete, but I'm glad I did it. After that, I saw कि मेरी desk बहुत ज़्यादा messy हो रखी है. But अभी फ़िलहाल मेरे पास time था नहीं clean करने का, क्योंकि like it was 10:40 and I like to sleep before 12 p.m. So I decided to skip cleaning that and doing maths. So I was doing coordinate geometry. पहले मैं trigonometry पे focus कर रही थी, but हमारे स्कूल में trigonometry की जगह पहले coordinate geometry करा दिया. So I had to complete that also. And मैंने अभी तक एक भी reference book से इस chapter को नहीं किया है, and मैंने NCERT से भी इस chapter को नहीं किया है, and it was a quite new chapter for me. So I did it from the NCERT first, because it is very important to get your basic concepts clear before you move on to the complex topics. And I think I will do it from a reference book like tomorrow or something. But today I thought कि NCERT से करना sufficient है, क्योंकि there were 2 exercises, so I completed all of that एक बार. And उसके बाद मेरे को जो concepts थे उसकी एक basic understanding हो गई थी. I was also listening to music while doing maths, because that just helps me focus better. And when I was done, I checked it off my to-do list. Now we just have 2 more tasks to go. And after that, I started with my फिजिक्स का पोर्शन, क्योंकि ये भी अगले दिन क्लास में होना है. सो आई वांटेड टू रिवाइज इट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन दिस चैप्टर फ्रॉम लाइक माय लेक्चर्स, एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ फ्यू नोट्स, बट आई हैव येट नॉट गिवन इट एन एनसीईआरटी रीडिंग. सो आई वाज डूइंग दैट, एंड इतना गंदे तरीके से लिखा हुआ है एनसीईआरटी में, इट इज सो कंफ्यूजिंग. इतने बड़े बड़े कंसेप्ट्स को एक ही लाइन में करके फिनिश कर दिया, विच आई डिड नॉट लाइक एट ऑल. बट लाइक एक बार एनसीईआरटी रीडिंग करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड मैंने इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस भी प्रैक्टिस कर ली ऑफ ऑल द टॉपिक्स विच आई हैव कंप्लीटेड इन माय लेक्चर्स, ताकि मेरा वो रिवाइज हो जाए अच्छे से. And like I think I gave it a thorough reading. I also did the recall thing for this portion as well, so that I know whatever I'm learning is actually going in my head or not. And I was also like looking at the activities, क्योंकि कभी कभी उसमें से भी questions बन के आ जाते हैं एग्जाम में. Like if you're in class 10th or 12th, you should definitely not skip the activities, because कभी कभी पूरी activity like exactly paper में पूछी जाती है. Either you have to write it down, or you have to like tell the observations or something like that. Anyways, I checked it off my to-do list, and I looked outside and it did not rain उतना. उसके बाद like बारिश थोड़ी बहुत कम हो गई थी, and I thought it has stopped, but then I looked and I saw कि it has not stopped and it is still raining, but like it was raining कम compared to when it was raining जब मैं नीचे थी. So yeah, that is quite interesting, and I was just looking outside for a while because I love watching the rain. After my 1 minute break, I had to do a subject which I dread doing the most, which is Hindi. And हम ये तंतारा विमारो, not विमारो, तंतारा वामीरो की कथा पढ़ रहे थे. Apparently this is a love story which we are doing in our class. So that is quite interesting, and it is a very tragic love story which I came to know from this video. एंड ये वीडियो देखने के बाद मेरे को पूरी स्टोरी समझ आ गई थी अच्छे से। वैसे मेरे को बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता है लाइक बुक से पढ़ने का। एंड आई डोंट नो मैंने बुक खोली क्यों हुई थी, क्योंकि मैं बुक से पढ़ भी नहीं रही थी। आई वॉज जस्ट पेइंग ऑल माई अटेंशन टू दिस लेक्चर। एंड आई रियली फाइंड लाइक ये वाले वीडियोज़ हेल्पफुल, क्योंकि ना ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से पढ़ाते हैं। एंड मतलब मेरे को समझ भी आ जाता है, मतलब मेरे को पूरी स्टोरी अच्छे से समझ आ चुकी है इस चैप्टर की। एंड जब हमें क्लास में पढ़ेंगे तो मैं सो नहीं जाऊंगी, क्योंकि नॉर्मली मैं अपनी हिंदी की क्लास में सो जाती हूँ, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट वेरी बोरिंग, लाइक ऑल द चैप्टर्स आर वेरी बोरिंग। बट दिस चैप्टर इज एक्चुअली क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग। देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ क्लाइमैक्स ड्रामा एंड a lot of chaos, which I obviously love. So yeah, and it was like a very tragic ending and all of that. But मैंने पूरे lectures देखे और पूरा chapter complete करने के बाद I checked it off my to-do list, and guess what guys, we're officially done with every single thing on my list, which is a huge achievement because I did not expect कि सब कुछ हो जाएगा. After that I played some music, and मैंने तुम्हें पहले बताया था ना मेरी desk बहुत messy हो रखी है. So yes, I am going to clean it up right now, and it is very important to do that because I love to wake up to a clean desk. I don't like to wake up to like a messy room. इसलिए आई इंश्योर कि सोने से पहले मेरा रूम पूरा क्लीन है. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि मेरा रूम क्लीन नहीं रह पाता है when I'm like extremely tired, but I had the energy to clean it, so I did, because I got a lot of dopamine boost by completing my entire to-do list in such a short span of time. And I was very excited for school tomorrow क्योंकि मैं अपना सारा काम करके गई थी. See, I dread going to school when I'm not done with my homework, but I love it when I have completed everything. Anyways, then I just cleaned my desk, and yeah, that's it.
I'm so glad that I completed all of my tasks, and now it is like after 11:30, and now I'll just brush my teeth and all that, and I will sleep. And I'll let you know how my exam goes tomorrow. It's not really an exam; it's just a class test. But as it's not a surprise test, and we've already been informed कि test है, so we need to get good marks. Otherwise, like डांट पड़ेगी. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that it motivated you, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. That's it for this one guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.